Students, and welcome back to another CMU Trio Detroit workshop. Today we will learn how to bank it. And we will help you find out what a financial emergency and unexpected expense are. We will provide tips on how to budget and save money. Some of the key terms here that you'll be hearing later on: unexpected expense, financial emergency, things that come about in life pop up and you were not prepared for. Some of them you might be, but you need to set money aside for these. Budgeting, it helps you create a way to take control of what comes in and what is being spent of your income. And a savings plan is a personal plan that helps you reach your goal on what you might want to buy in the future. Students, we realize that some of you may not have jobs yet, and a good way to start earning income is maybe show some responsibility around the house with whoever you live with, ask for an allowance, and maybe start cooking, start cleaning. A very, very good and effective way is to get good grades at school. That's going to show big responsibility from you, and it'll also keep you motivated too, right? If you can take a minute or two and find a container, decorate it if you'd like, and this will be for our challenge later in the presentation. Let's dive into unexpected expenses.
There are many different unexpected expenses that can pop up in our everyday lives. Some of those examples might be auto repair costs, last minute invitations to a concert, medical costs, cell phone repairs, and video game console replacements. So the question is, are these considered financial emergencies? Meaning, are they necessary expenses? Do you need them? And are they urgent? Take a couple of seconds to think about which of these examples might be considered financial emergencies. Okay, let's review the examples from the previous slides. Auto repair costs are normally going to be considered financial emergencies because you may need your vehicle in order to go to work or go to school. Now, could you possibly take the bus or find alternative ways to get around if you do not have the money for this unexpected expense? Yes. So it may not be urgent, but ultimately it will be a necessary expense. A last-minute invitation to a concert is not considered a financial emergency. You might really want to see this band or artist in concert, or might really want to join your friends for this event, but it is not necessary or urgent for you to attend this concert. Medical costs are financial emergencies. Health and safety is important, necessary, and usually pretty urgent. Cell phone repair costs can be considered a financial emergency. In today's world, cell phones are what keep us connected to our families, our employers, our schools. While it may not be an urgent expense, it is one that is ultimately necessary. Xbox or PlayStation replacement costs are not financial emergencies. If your Xbox breaks, you might want to purchase a new one so that you can keep playing video games in your downtime, but an Xbox is not a need, nor is getting a replacement urgent.
When creating a budget, your income and your expenses are two of the most important things that have to be factored in. So your income is the money that you're bringing in every month or every 2 weeks. And then your expenses is things that you 100% always have to pay for. So if you're paying a phone bill or you purchase your own food, those are things that you're going to pay for every single month. So you have to factor those numbers in. Once you subtract your income from your expenses, you'll get the amount of money that you're left with. And when you have that amount of money, you can decide how you want to break it up. So you can save for a rainy day, so just in case there's an emergency. If you know you want to have some money, just like spending money in your pocket. So say you want to go to the movies or you want to go to the mall and you see something that you want. That's just on hand spending money. And then if you're saving for a specific item, so if you want to, purchase some headphones or purchase a computer or something, you're saving for that specific thing. So that is what that money is specifically going towards. And then creating a savings plan, there are a few questions you should ask yourself while you're doing this. So what are you saving for? How much money do you need? And how long will it take you to save? So I have an example here. You're saving for a new TV and that TV costs $200. If you decide, I can save $20 a month, it'll take you 10 months to save enough money to get that TV. So you want to make sure that the plan is right for you based on how much money you are bringing in on the monthly basis, and then how much money you can afford to, put aside for certain things. When you're saving, that means you're not touching that money. That money is for that specific thing or for that rainy day. You're not going to spend it on anything else.
Thank you for watching, everyone, and until next time, please let us know how we did with our evaluation, and also follow us on social media and do our trio dollar challenge with the activity from earlier and the savings that you made. Please collect any spare change in your house and see if you can collect $1, okay? We would like to know how you did. Upload a photo and use that hashtag. Thank you, and until next time, bye bye.